The Oxbo 9240 Plus represents the next generation of coffee harvesting technology. The 9240 Plus was designed as a single harvesting solution for the full life of your coffee plants, from young trees to mature plantings. Oxbo's air-conditioned, center-mounted cab was designed to provide optimum visibility of all harvesting operations. Optional cruise control and automatic steering reduce crop loss and improve harvester performance. Preset, easy-to-use controls reduce training time and deliver the highest quality coffee. Low-profile front lifters effectively transition low branches into the diner rotor. Catchers get low on the plant and gently but effectively catch the most coffee at all stages of plant life. Wide, low-profile lower belts easily handle high-tonnage crops. Oxbo's diner rotor shaking system has proven to effectively harvest the highest quality coffee with minimal plant damage. The diner rotor can be easily adjusted to plant and crop conditions. The large tunnel and the tall shaking system effectively removes cherries in young and mature coffee plants. The bi-directional cross conveyor allows you to quickly unload on the go or pick to the recycle bin. The large 3,000-liter recycle bin was designed for continuous harvest, even in high-tonnage crops. Lower leaf disruptors and stick kickers effectively remove large debris from the cherries. Stick kickers are removable when harvesting young plants. Dual upper cleaning fans are designed to remove debris at the transition point to the cross conveyor, thoroughly removing leaves and other trash and delivering clean cherries to the bin. The 9240 Plus ConilonMax delivers the benefits of mechanical coffee harvesting to conilon growers with effective harvesting performance, reduced labor requirements, and the ability to harvest your coffee at the optimal time. Every 9240 Plus is designed to deliver the highest quality coffee and is backed by local service and support, ensuring uptime during the critical harvest window. For more information on the Oxbo 9240, visit oxbo.com or your local dealer.